Hello everyone and welcome back to Alex Builds. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Build the Terminator by Hachette Partworks. This is issue 37. In issue 37 we get some more parts for our thoracic cage, and we also get another vertebra. So there are your parts. This is our assembly pages, as always, our sci-fi cinema legends and our real world science, which is about apples. And what's coming up in next week's issue looks pretty similar to this week. So yeah, let's get these parts open and start building issue 37. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging and we have got all these nice little parts here. This is the only metal piece that comes this week. These parts are all plastic and they're the parts it wants us to start off with. So you've got two different parts. You've got the part with the skinny part and the fatter part that go together. Wants us to have the skinnier part first, and this is going to locate through here. Give it a good push all the way through. Next step, we're going to take this one and we're going to put it on the top, just like that. And this is going to be held together with one of these screws that we've got here. So let's get that. It's rolling off the table. Don't want to fit that screwdriver, so let's go with one a little smaller. And yeah, I'm quite surprised that these are actually plastic and not metal, but hey ho, it seems that all the joints so far have been plastic, so I'm not really that surprised. But there you go, that's going to sit like that, and that's that piece done. It is hollow, so I think we're maybe putting something in there eventually. Now once it's to bring in this piece, we're not going to need the screwdriver for a few minutes, and the little black bit that we had from last week, and we're going to be putting that just in there, just like that. And then obviously we're going to be bringing back in this piece here, and wants us to do exactly the same as what we have been doing. Get two nuts, two screws, and we're going to be putting a nut in and a screw on. So last week I needed to use the tweezers, so let's see if we need to do, oh no, it went straight in. So we can now put this on your location nipples, and you've got the two bigger holes, that's what they go on. And now we can get a little screw and we can screw this one in. Rather straightforward, very similar to what we did last week. Let's get a screw, nut, sorry, drop that in. Going to need the tweezers for this one because it's gone in a bit skew-ish. There we go. Now we can flip that over. Grab our screw, come here, yeah, so at the minute I think we're not using the, we're using a PHO screwdriver, PHOO screwdriver, because the PHO is a bit too big to fit these. So if you ain't on this stage yet, make sure you've got a PHO screwdriver, because the PHOO is a bit too big. Yep, there you go. That's that piece on, and that is what we should have at the end of this issue, is these two parts here. So it's a very short issue, so because it was a very short issue, I'm going to just move them screws out of the way. I'm going to have a little play and show you where to think these parts are going to go. So we've got this piece and this one. So we'll lie that one down. Not sure which end is which yet. So that's going to go there. And we're going to have one of these are going to go in here to locate onto the hips. So you're going to have one in each side. So we'll just put this on this side for now. And then we're going to get our head, which is going to go at the top here and locate on there. And then this is going to go on here, like so. And it's going to look somewhat like that. And we're going to have our arms coming in here somewhere. I think there's going to be a bit going on the back here. And that's what that's going to locate onto, and the other one is going to go just like that somewhere. So yeah, you can see it's coming along. We're starting to get we're nearly finished this piece now, so I think next week let's have a look at what's coming next week and we can judge how far we think we've got to go. Let's just move these off the table. And we can have a look. So yeah, it looks like all we're doing next week is building another one of these, and we get this part down here for our, we continue building the thoracic cage joint and a vertebra. So I think this piece here is the vertebra. So I don't know where that's going to go. Maybe that piece there might lock into here, maybe, to hold the shoulders on eventually. I don't know. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. So thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload videos every single week, so to avoid missing out, subscribe, hit that little notifications bell, and I will see you next time.